Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel here. Summer is finally here. Let's put this 3D printed boat in the water. In case you haven't seen my first video, I invite you to have a look at that. This is the Armidale, the Australian Royal Navy. 3D printed, took a long time to print, to assemble, to paint. I also present in my first video the electronics that I put inside to motorize and to make it remote control. So I'll put the link in my video description. Now I was very careful when I built this boat. I put it in the bathtub for an hour, make sure there was no leak. I also put a lot of flotation material inside. In case it tips over, I don't want to lose the boat at the bottom of the lake. There was a lot of work here. In the first few seconds of the video, I will not put any music. I want you to hear the noise that the two big motors make when the hull is in the water. It's quite interesting. So enough talking. Just want to say, if you have any questions, put them down below. I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as I can. Let's go to the lake.
Yeah, walking by, poach my sand from the well, the one did it a couple of days. The door is running slowly right open. The recharge. You got four.
Well, I had the battery at the back.
That's good. Yeah.